Hold up. Do you know why AI keeps copying nature? Because nature solved these problems first. Ant colonies optimize routes. Brains process information efficiently. Ecosystems adapt without central control. AI doesn't invent intelligence, it studies survival. Neural networks copy brains. Swarm algorithms copy insects. Evolutionary code copies natural selection. Here's the truth. Nature doesn't compute perfection. It removes what fails. That's why AI keeps looking backwards to move forward. Did you know about this? Tell me in the comments section. Subscribe to Hold Up Nature for facts that make humans feel small.